Hi everyone, this is Tabish Khan, your real estate broker. If you're thinking of buying, selling residential or commercial property, give me a call for free property evaluation and professional advice. Today I'm in Milton on Regional 25 and Britannia. This area is establishing very well, new construction, new neighborhood. I'm going to give you a tour of this beautiful 3,167 square foot house above ground plus finished basement. Let's go inside and start the tour. Come to the porch, cover porch, single door, but you see the frame, the glass, which makes this area very bright, and you see the window there as well, and the ceiling height on a foyer. And here, as soon as you enter, you see this closet. Coat closet is big, and then on left side you see powder room, very basic powder room with window, very basic. This area goes upstairs where we'll go later. Then we move this area, 9-foot ceiling here. Look at this dining room with two windows, windows here, windows there. Quite a big dining room considering the size of the house. Then we have this serving area as well from the kitchen for the dining room. And then we come here, and on the left side here is inside garage door. That's a very good feature always, especially in winter. And here is the closet, coat closet if you're coming from inside garage door. Then from on the left side you see this den with big window, very good size. It's a den, it's an office, it's very nice with the French door. And here is a great room. You see the windows here, fireplace, and you can see the upgrades for TV if you want to hang your TV here, so your cables are not exposed. After great room, here is patio door, front of breakfast area. You can see the tiles here. Here is the island, you see extended one, so you can have bench here. It's a breakfast area. Oh, there's a small island, there's the cords. Here is the cords and deep sink, new style sink, front of window. Here is space for cooktop, and hood is also very basic, definitely needs to be changed. And they have upgrade space under island. They have cabinets here, very nice, good quality cabinets. They have definitely upgraded. This area is for ovens. For the fridge, they have a connection for water for the fridge filter. Let's go to upstairs, and I want to show you the beautiful upstairs area. Look at this size. This dining room is huge. You see the stairs are wide, and look at the windows. This area is very bright area because of this window and that window. Look at this. And my most favorite area is this one. This landing area, when you come upstairs, look at this. This view, how bright it is, and very open, looks beautiful. And then first thing you see when you come upstairs, this laundry room, very good size with window. And here is inside laundry room. And then you come out and you see the first bedroom. Wow, this room, this side is all window, very bright, very bright. I feel like I'm standing outside. Here is a closet. It's not a walk-in closet, but you can say it's a walk-in closet. The shelves and hanging, very nice, good size. And here is washroom. It's a Jack and Gel, actually for 2 bedrooms. double sink here, and then here is a separate commode and shower area. Tub is here. You can put glass here and make a standing shower. And then, so now room number 2, reasonable size, good size rather, room for queen bed or even king bed can fix it. Here is double door closet, reasonable size, rather good size. And then room number 3, also very good size room. You can see the window, and this room has attached washroom, full washroom, single sink, no upgrade, very basic, but window on the back, standing shower with glass. You can see the tiles up to the ceiling. That's nice. Now I'll show you this double door closet here. Again, very good size. As I said before, now builders are not making a walk-in closet. They're using the space and making the bigger room, which is good, and still it's a very reasonable size. Now the big one, master bedroom, double door entry. As soon as you come in, beautiful walk-in closet. Look at the size. They have compensated. This is the only walk-in closet in this house, but the big one. See the hanging area and the shelving. You can put some extra shelves here if you want to. Here is the shelving, hanging. Now move to the room. Very big size room. Look at this area, all windows, and you enjoy the ravine. No privacy issue. You can keep your blinds off all day because nothing on the back of your house, only trees, only birds can see, right? So here you can put California king bed, sitting area, huge room, very nice. And then let's go to ensuite. As soon you enter, you see this standing shower, big standing shower area. You can see the tiles up to the ceiling. I don't see lots of upgrades, but layout is good. The best part of this ensuite, I like this sink area. One sink here, one sink is on the other side. They don't have 2 sinks together. This was in for years, but now it's a trend now. Mostly builders are doing the same. Although it's very basic, no upgrade, basic sink, everything you need to spend money and you need to upgrade if you want to. They have a tub here, they have a big window, very bright, good size. Now here is separate commode area with window. That's very nice. I like this separate commode. So all rooms are very good size, but this area, look at this. I love this area. Very bright, very open. I really feel something very special about this house. The way they made this stair area and the landing area and the windows, amazing. Now I'll take you to basement and I'll show you beautiful finished basement. Let's go. Look at this. So from here, maybe you have opportunity to get the side door if you want to, subject to city approval. Normally people get it done. Let's go downstairs. After 3, 4, 5 stairs, you see big window here. Look at this. very bright stairs. I haven't seen for a long such stairs coming down to window. Coming down to basement, such a big window. As soon as you come down, look at this. Have a feel of this basement. It's huge. Even this area here. You can make a sitting area here. You can make a living or great room in the basement. Very nice. And here, under stairs, you see the storage space. I'm showing you this area because storage is very important as well. This is sump pump area. Here is a full washroom, very basic, no upgrade, very basic. And you see here, tub area. You can put the glass and make standing shower. Beautiful. So, this area, look at this. How many rooms you want to make? 3, 2, easily. Only you need to spend money on windows. It costs you $1,200 to $1,500. You can make a bigger window, 24 by 36. Beautiful. And this room is another opportunity for storage. It's a mechanical room, but you have lots of space for here. Look at this. Beautiful. Hope you like the tour of this beautiful 3,167 square foot detached house. 4 bedrooms, 3 washrooms on a first floor. Beautiful landing area. You see the window, how bright it is. All rooms are very bright, big windows. On the main floor, great room, den, dining area, kitchen, everything is so beautiful. Especially the Ravine. It's a very good feature. You have a privacy, you have quality, and every resale is also very good. I would say it's a great opportunity if you want to buy for yourself or for investment. Houses, move-in ready. I have so many other projects like this in Milton, Mississauga, Oakville, Burlington, Niagara region, Guelph, Kitchener, Waterloo. You want to buy new project or you want to buy resale properties, I can help you. If you want to sell your property, I can help you. I can present your property to right people the way I'm presenting this property. I have very professional mortgage partners who can help you with your mortgage approval, or if you want to refinance your existing property for investment, they can help you. If you like this home tour, please like, share and subscribe, and definitely share your thoughts. Give me a call to discuss your options at 416-475-7777. Talk to you soon.